Setting up a sector-based stock screener in ChartMill is a straightforward process that can help you identify the best-performing stocks within a specific sector. Select Stock Screener from the main menu on the left side of the page. If the main menu is not visible, click the three dashes at the top left. This will display the main Stock Screener interface. Familiarize yourself with the layout, which includes various filters and options for customizing your search. The first step in setting up a sector-based stock screener is to filter stocks by the sector you're interested in. On the left side of the screener interface, select the General tab. Then open the drop-down menu under GICS sector. Now select one or more sectors you wish to focus on. This will automatically filter out all stocks that do not belong to the selected sector. If desired, you can further refine the selection within the main sector to one specific industry group or even sub-industry. You will find the expanded filtering options on the same tab. Next, apply fundamental analysis filters to refine your stock selection based on financial metrics. In this example, we are using the predefined fundamental ChartMill ratings. This is a quick and convenient way if you are not yet familiar with the many fundamental ratios available in the platform. For example, set the ChartMill Health Rating Score to at least 6 out of 10. This filter is used to measure the company's financial health. Of course, you can opt to set individual ratios. Which ratios are best suited to understand the financial condition of a company can be read in this article, available in our documentation section. A link to the article can be found in the description below. Next, set the ChartMill Growth Rating Score to at least 7 out of 10. This will ensure that ChartMill only select companies that are capable of strong and rapid growth. Again, you can opt to use individual growth filters. More information about which ratios you can use for this purpose can be found in this article. Direct link below. To further refine your search, you can apply some technical analysis filters. These are particularly useful for identifying stocks with strong price trends or specific trading requirements. Use filters like moving averages to find stocks that are trending upwards within the selected sector. For example, set a filter for stocks trading above their 50 and 200-day moving average, indicating a bullish trend on the mid and long term. Use the ATR or ADR indicator to find sufficiently volatile stocks. Especially when using an active swing trading strategy, it is important to pay attention to stocks with slightly higher volatility. If you buy stocks to keep them in your portfolio for a long time, this is less important. For example, use the ATR 20% above 2 filter to exclude stocks where price movement is insufficient. To ensure that we exclude underpriced stocks and stocks with too little trading volume, we add a few more basic filters. Set a minimum of $5 to exclude low-priced stocks. Use a market cap of at least $300 million to exclude stocks of companies with a market capitalization that is too low. Finally, use a minimum daily average trading volume of at least 300,000 to exclude stock with too low daily trading volume. After applying all your desired filters, you can customize and save your screener for future use. First, review your filter settings. Ensure all your filters, sector, fundamental, and technical, are correctly set up to match your investment strategy. Then, click on the Save Screener option, found at the top of the screener interface. Name your screener something descriptive, such as Sector Selected Growth Stocks, so you can easily identify it later. Once your screener is set up, you can analyze the results and decide which stocks to investigate further. The stocks that meet your criteria will be displayed in a list. There are numerous ways to view and analyze the results. For example, use the Two Charts view to display two charts of the same stock side by side at different time intervals. Numerous other view options are available in the screener. Discover them all by clicking on the inverted triangle, which reveals a drop-down menu. When using the Tables view, you can sort the results by various columns to prioritize your analysis, for example by market cap, price-earnings ratio, etc. If you want to analyze the data further or keep records, ChartMill allows you to export the list of stocks to a CSV file. This can be useful for creating reports or integrating with other analysis tools. Finally, take the time to conduct a deeper analysis of the top stocks identified by your screener. Use ChartMill's detailed fundamental and technical stock reports. Click on individual stocks to view their full profile, including financial statements, estimates, and analyst ratings. You may also want to cross-reference your findings with other financial tools or platforms to ensure you have a comprehensive view of each stock's potential. Setting up a sector-based stock screener on ChartMill is a powerful way to streamline your investment research process. By filtering stocks based on sector, applying both fundamental and technical criteria, and customizing your screener to fit your strategy, you can efficiently identify the best investment opportunities within a specific sector. That's it. If you liked this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time.